Welcome back. Let us go through the question. A passenger arriving in a new town wishes to go from station to a hotel located 10 kilometers away on a straight road from the station. A dishonest cabman takes him along a circuitous path 23 kilometers long and reaches the hotel in 28 minutes. What is the average speed of the taxi? So the average speed of the taxi is given by the total path traveled divided by the total time taken. So although the distance, linear distance is 10 kilometer, the cabman took another path, and this particular path was of 33 kilometers. So we need to consider this particular distance right there. So the total path traveled is 23 kilometer, and the total time taken is 28 minutes. So converting it to hour, it is 28 by 60 hour, and the result is 49.29 kilometer per hour. The magnitude of average velocity. So the total displacement is 10 kilometer because it is the linear path, and we know displacement is the linear path, right? And the total time taken in hour is 28 by 60 hour. So the average velocity is 10 divided by 28 by 60, which gives us 21.43 kilometer per hour. So it can be clearly seen that average speed and average velocity is not the same, which is answer to this particular question.